Okay, hi everybody. Okay, we're gonna discuss finger spelling in this part 4. Okay, that's the final part of your lesson 1 for this first lesson. So we're almost finished. Remember, well, I don't know if I've told you, but I'm gonna tell you that most of this lesson you have just learned and reviewed, for me anyway, to review. I've just taught you the basics of ASL and a few things about deafness and about deaf culture. Okay, so if you feel like, oh, Mary Beth, slow down, I didn't catch your signs, that's okay. I'm not expecting you to learn a lot of sign language this time, but mostly want you to learn about deaf people and deaf culture. Okay, so don't worry too much. Okay, but first, now, I shouldn't say first, not first, but now we're going to learn about finger spelling and finally start your learning of sign language. Okay? All right, I'm seated in my kitchen and I hope this is a good view. If not, you guys let me know. Okay, I'm on page 11 of your book. Okay, that talks about finger spelling. And it says the definition is a method of communication in which each letter of the alphabet, so every letter of the alphabet, is represented by configuration of fingers. Okay? It is used to emphasize the specific spelling of a name, place, or term. That's when it's finger spelled. Okay, and you maybe think, oh, don't I use finger spelling? I'll turn my camera. When I don't know the sign for something. You can, but the rule of thumb in deaf culture really is to try to act it out first, explain, over there, that thing, the red thing that you use for locking the door, whatever. Okay, you want to try to explain it before you spell it. Okay, that's the rule of thumb for signing. But sure, you can use finger spelling kind of as a backup to help yourself be understood. Okay, whoops, I just want to turn this a little bit so you get a little more light. Okay, let's see. The rules are keep your hand in front of your shoulder, so right about there. Okay, not chest or face with the palm facing out. Okay, we're not going to cover the face. This is in other words what they mean, not down on the chest, but just right about your shoulder length. If you're left-handed, it's right over there. Okay, and this is kind of your area that you're going to sign in. Okay, if it's your left over here, kind of this box. Okay, that's going to be your finger spelling area. So like my name, I'm still going to stay in that area. That was Mary Beth. MaryBeth, all in that area. Okay, I didn't go out here. Even though it's 8 letters, you don't sign away from your body so you can hardly see your hand anymore. Okay, you bring it in so you can see yourself, all right? So just stay right in that area. Okay, keep your hand positioned steadily. Keep your hand positioned steady. And so what they mean is you're not going to bounce. I don't want to see this. Mary Beth. Okay. Y-B-E-T-H. You're not going to get into that bouncing. You want to have it be a smooth motion if you can, okay? So that means we need to practice. Okay, so I'm going to give you some short letters. Okay, try the word am. Some short words, I should say. Just a few letters. A-M. You're not going to do A-M. You're not going to bounce that elbow. Just stay right there. Am. Okay? Do mom. M-O-M. Sorry, there's a dog barking outside. Maybe you can hear that. M-O-M. Okay, let's do dad. Dad. D-A-D. I don't know if you know the letters, but that's okay if you don't. We'll just do a few letters right now. D-A-D. Okay, we're going to do them up. I just want to show you close on the camera. We're going to do them back here by our shoulder. Okay, let's do daddy. Okay, just move it over. Okay, so the rule is, that's probably down here, when you get to a double letter, okay, let's do name like Jenny. When you get to a double letter, you just move it over, okay? You don't have to reproduce it. You're not doing J-E-N-N-N-N, whatever. You're not reproducing it. You're just moving it J-E-N-N-Y. You just move your letter, move your hand over a little bit. Dad, E. See that? We just moved our D. D-A-D-D-Y. Just move it over a little bit. Okay? That's the rule with finger spelling. I hope that makes sense. Let's see. Have a very short pause between words. Yeah, if you want to do like between your first name and your last name. Most important, this is number 6. Most important of all, mentally and or audibly say the complete word. Your finger spelling, not the individual letters. Okay, I experienced this. I remember one time I was interpreting and I did Minneapolis. Minneapolis. Okay, so say the whole word because the deaf person might be lip reading a little bit. So you're not going to do M-I-N-N-E-A-P-O-L-I-S. You just say the word, okay, when you're finger spelling. If you want to talk, if you say the word. Or say it in your mind, mentally it says. Okay, 7 is trying to practice a few words, so that'd be a good idea. Go ahead and look at that. All right, so let's skip page 13 for now. Let's go to page 14. 14 is the manual letters of the alphabet, right? Manual alphabet. So this is what the 26 letters are called, the manual alphabet. There's 26 letters. Okay, should we go through them? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, I'll come a little closer, E, F, G, or you can tip it a little, okay? So you're actually seeing this hand, or this picture in your book, page 14, shows like it's holding out. They almost are doing it like a left-hander, I think. Okay, because you see the knuckles. Anyway, G, or you can turn it in. Or, excuse me, no, don't turn it in all the way, but just toward the side, sorry. So G or G. Okay, so F, G. This reminds me, I forgot, that there's another page right behind it, page 15. And you might like these hand shapes, this drawing a little bit better. It's from another CD that I had, CD-ROM. So anyway, go ahead and use that if you want to. Let's go again with E, F, G, H. Okay, I'll show you all the sides of it. You're gonna sign it like this. Okay, this is the way it should look, but I'm just showing to help you figure out the hand shape. I, okay, there again, here's the hand shape. Okay, I, sorry, oh, the palm is out. I, J, what I mean is your palm, you always keep your palm outward toward the other person. J, K, okay, that's like a 2 or a V with a thumb in between. K, I'll do a little closer. You see that? Okay, okay. L, O, P. That's almost like a K, but you tip the wrist a little bit. Okay, so here's P. So L, M has 3 fingers, N has 2 fingers over the thumb, O, P. Okay, this is your pointer fingers straight out. Here I'm sitting up, what it looks like on my side. Okay, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so hopefully you can practice your name. That's what I usually talk about in the first time. Okay, on page 16, it does tell you a little bit about name signs. We'll talk about this some more on Wednesday. But that first expression, let's learn that. You learn sign where, because the deaf people will ask you if you're signing, or even if you're not with a deaf person. Excuse me, I'm just going to turn this again. You will experience that other people will ask you, where'd you learn to sign? Okay, and this is always the question goes at the end. I said, where did you learn to sign? That's the English. Where? Okay, then that goes on the end for the sign language. Okay, so and you look down, you kind of squint your eyebrows down a little bit. You learn, I'll do it down here a little bit. He's closer. Learn. Some people go right to their head. Learn. If you would like to, you can, but let me tell you, you don't have to, and a lot of deaf people don't, okay? You don't need to. You learn sign. This is sign, so it's just two index fingers. Sign. And by now you have your eyes up a little bit. Where? And then they go down again. Okay, back and forth. This is where. Okay, let's do it again. You learn sign where? Can you do that without your voice? Okay, and then you can tell them, ready? This is class. Okay, like a group of people, all in a big consortium, in a group, in a little room or something. Okay, that's what you're doing here, is group. Okay, read a little bit about name signs. Let's learn the phrases on page 17. We're almost getting to the end. Okay, you name what? Okay, without your voice. And you know what, you guys? You don't need the what. Okay, just say, you name, and it's a question. What's your name? Okay? And your eyes are down a little bit. Sorry, I just had to get rid of this message. Okay, so what's your name? In my class, if you were all present in the room, I would like you to ask each other. So on Monday, I'll have you ask me, and maybe ask, I don't know if we can answer it that way. Probably just ask me. Okay, nice. Meet. Okay, you see my dominant is behind, and then it comes up and meets the left one. You. Nice. Meet you. Now you don't have to sign the you, okay, because they're there. We know you're talking to them. So nice meet. Ready? We're going to do that. And that means nice to meet you. I'll do it again. Okay? Now one phrase I think that they should include here is you too. Or you can just do the two. Okay? Because like I said, the person is there, so we know you're talking to them. Okay, page 18, I think. Yeah, there's kind of some good ones. We can review some of those, or I'll teach you some of those on Wednesday, on Wednesday when we meet. Okay, so practice the alphabet. Okay, 2-letter words. Maybe 3-letter words. Okay, the easy part is doing it. The hard part is receiving it. Darcy and I were just talking about that the other day. So that is a challenge, but we all need to get better at that. And that's a hard part for me. Here's another one. You ready? Okay. G-O-O-D. Good. Okay, that's kind of easy. Just practice going from one letter to another letter, from A to E. Okay, that's what I'll have you practice doing. So there's some signs for you, a couple different little expressions. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Okay, I'll see you guys on Wednesday at 6 o'clock. If you're not able to watch, I will get a recording. I will make a recording, and how I will post it, I think probably on the group page. I just need to ask some questions for some other people that I know how. Okay, so but I'll record it, and then I will post it, put it up on the group page. Okay? That's great, you guys. 17 minutes. Okay, so watch these 4. I hope you watched 4 videos, little videos now, right? Okay, see you later.